Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change passcode on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings, then scroll all the way down until you find the Face ID and passcode. Then enter your current passcode, and once you entered Face ID and passcode settings, just scroll down until you find Change Passcode feature. Just tap on that. Then it asks you to enter your old passcode, and then you are able to enter your new passcode. I'm just gonna enter 1 characters. Now it says that this passcode can be easily guessed, so I don't recommend you to use that type of passcodes, but I'm showing you this just for example, so I'm gonna hit add use anyway. Then type in your new passcode again, and that's it. I have just changed my passcode. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.